Hi, today I'm going to show you how to cook a classic Cantonese style dish, sauteed beef with bitter melon in black bean sauce. The full recipe is in description underneath the video. Let's prepare the ginger juice first. In Chinese cooking, we usually use ginger juice to marinate meat. Let's look at the ingredients here. Normally I use flank steak, but you can choose whichever kind of beef you like. Wash and wipe dry beef, then cut into slices. Mix marinades. Wipe beef with paper towel to the dryness. Add beef to marinades, then mix well. Add cornstarch, then oil at last. Mix well. Marinate for 1 hour. Wash and remove seeds of bitter melon. Cut into 1/4 inch thick slices. Boil water, then add 1 teaspoon of salt in it. Blanch bitter melon for 1 minute. Scoop out the melon, drain and rinse with cold water. Drain the melon slices really well. Heat up pan first, then add 1 tablespoon oil. Pan fry beef at high heat for about 1 minute for each side. Scoop out the beef. Toast black bean under low heat for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon oil, then garlic and saute at medium heat. Add water and sauce and continue to saute. Add bitter melon to saute briefly. Then add beef to saute. Mix cornstarch with water and add into the beef. Continue to saute. Add the optional chili pepper and saute briefly, then serve. The yummy sauteed beef and bitter melon in black bean sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!